Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace a rear wheel on your lawnmower, first make sure the engine has cooled. Now use a support to prop up the mower. Use a 9/16" socket to unthread the mounting nut securing the wheel you're replacing. Slide the old wheel off. Install the new rear wheel by sliding it onto the axle. Then thread and tighten the mounting nut. Remove the support, and your lawnmower should be ready for use.